Bake with me this delicious and wholesome banana bread, perfect for babies and toddlers. You and your lilies are gonna love it. This banana bread has the goodness of yogurt and wholemeal flour. Let's get to it. I am so happy with how this turned out. It looks absolutely delicious and I can't wait to give it to my twins. I know that they're going to love it, but I think that I need to taste test it first. And yep, it's delicious. Now it's over to my twins, Ivy and Remy, to taste test this delicious baby banana bread. Thanks so much for joining me in the kitchen today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell. If there are any particular recipes you'd like to learn how to make sure you let me know in the comment section. Hope you enjoy.